If you are throwing away the pulps after making soya milk, you are making a very big mistake. You can transform this into a delicious meal or a profitable business. I started by scooping the quantity I needed into a cooking pot to show you the first way to use it. Then spread the rest of it on a tray for the second method. As you can see, this is my essential food converter. It's made from soya pulp. I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to make this for profit in my next video. It is premium content, but I decided to give it out for free. So stay tuned. And now back to our first method. I'm going to add water to the soya pulp, mix together to form a slurry. As you can see, I'm adding the water to it bit by bit, then mix together. I'm doing this carefully so that it will not be overwatery. Please mix together thoroughly so that it becomes a very smooth paste. This is so important because it will define the final texture of our swallow. And after mixing it together thoroughly and I've gotten my desired consistency, it is time for me to add the same quantity of cassava flour. Add and mix together until it is properly combined. This means that if you are using 2 cups of soya pulps, you're also going to be using 2 cups of cassava flour. Both must be of same quantity to get the best results. And after mixing together, take to the heat and begin to cook. Stir continuously so that there will be no lumps found in our swallow. Cook on a medium heat and stir continuously until it thickens up. As you continue to cook and stir, it begins to harden up. After cooking and turning it for some time and it has become hardened, I'll be bringing it together, add some water to it, cover and cook for about 5 minutes. And now that I've added water to it, I'm going to be cooking it on a low heat. This will allow the swallow to be well cooked. After 5 minutes of cooking, open and give it a quick stir once again so that it will be well combined. As you can see from the video, as I turn and mix together a swallow made from soya pulp, you can tell that this is a smooth and starchy swallow. One good thing about this swallow is that it is swallow packed with nutrients. As we all know that soya beans is good for the body. And now that our nutritious meal is ready, I'll go ahead, remove from the heat, then wrap in a cling film. In today's video, I'd like to appreciate Susanna Oguguoko and Angel Steve. Thank you all for loving the recipe. I also want to appreciate all my returning subscribers and all my wonderful family out there. I want to say I appreciate you so much. God bless you. If you want me to give you a shout out in my next video, kindly comment where you are watching me from in my comment section. And after wrapping it in a cling film, you can see how it came out. This came out very perfect. No lumps and very smooth. You can try this out and let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. Also do well to like and share this video with your loved ones. You can enjoy this nutritious swallow with any soup of your choice. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for more great videos like this. And here we have our swallow made from soya pulp, served with egusi soup, and enjoyed with soya milk. Thanks for watching.